From the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep, every single thing you do can be said in English. Today, we are going to practice your entire day, morning to night, in natural English. By the end of this video, your mouth will know exactly what to say at every moment of your day.
This is not a lesson. This is a practice session. So repeat every single sentence out loud. Do not just watch. Actually speak.
Welcome, everyone. My name is John.
And my name is Emily. And today, we are doing something different.
No grammar, no rules, just real English for your real life from morning to night.
We are going to walk through an entire day together. Every situation, every phrase, and you are going to repeat everything out loud.
Ready? Let us start from the very beginning, the moment your alarm goes off. It is 6 a.m. Your alarm goes off. Repeat after me.
My alarm is going off.
I really do not want to get up.
Just 5 more minutes.
Okay, I need to get up.
I am so tired this morning.
Now you are in the bathroom. Repeat.
I need to brush my teeth.
I am going to take a quick shower.
I cannot function without my morning coffee.
I am running a little late today.
I need to get ready fast.
I am almost out the door. Now, breakfast. Repeat after me.
I am starving this morning. I will just grab something quick.
I do not have time for a big breakfast today.
I will eat on the go.
That was delicious.
Now I feel so much better.
Okay, I am ready to start the day. Now it is afternoon. You are at work or at school. Repeat. Good morning, everyone. How is everyone doing today? I have a lot of work to get through today. Let me check my emails first. I have back-to-back meetings today. I am completely swamped right now. Can we catch up later? I am in the middle of something. I will get back to you on that. I need a coffee break. I cannot focus anymore. I hit an afternoon slump. I am exhausted. Just a few more hours and I am done. I am finally clocking out. What a day. Now you are coming home. Repeat. I am on my way home. The traffic is terrible today. I am absolutely drained. I just want to get home and relax. I am finally home. What a relief. I need to decompress for a little while. I am going to change into something comfortable. I am so hungry. What should I make for dinner? Now, dinner time. Repeat.
I am going to cook something simple tonight.
I do not feel like cooking. I might just order in.
That smells amazing.
This is so good. I was starving.
I am stuffed. I ate way too much.
Now, time to relax. Repeat.
I just want to switch off and watch something.
I cannot stop thinking about work.
I need to stop scrolling and get some rest.
I should go to bed early tonight.
Now it is bedtime. Repeat.
I am exhausted. I can barely keep my eyes open.
Today was a really long day.
I am glad today is over.
Tomorrow is going to be a better day.
I need to set my alarm for tomorrow.
Good night, everyone. Sleep well.
Sweet dreams.
You just practiced English for an entire day, morning to night. Every single sentence you just repeated, you can use in your real life tomorrow.
Your homework today is simple. Tomorrow morning, from the moment your alarm goes off, narrate your day in English, out loud, even if you are alone.
I am waking up. I am making coffee. I am running late. Say it all in English.
This is called self-narration, and it is one of the most powerful ways to build real English fluency fast.
If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. We upload new English lessons every single day.
Share this with one friend who wants to improve their English speaking.
See you in the next video. I am Emily.
And I am John. Keep speaking.
Bye!